What's the meaning of cook chill? Cook chill. Cook chill.
Cook chill. Cook chill. Cook chill is a food preservation method that entails cooking food thoroughly, rapidly cooling it, and storing it in sealed containers at low temperatures until it is needed. Cook chill helps to decrease the amount of time that food spends in the danger zone, lowering the risk of bacterial growth and the likelihood of food contamination. This method also helps to maintain the quality, flavor, and nutritional value of the food. Cook chill can be used to prepare a wide range of dishes, including soups, sauces, stews, casseroles, and desserts.